Do you want to earn money from day trading really faster? And you don't know where to start, what is to read, and what is the right process to follow step by step? If this is your problem, this is the video for you. Here I'm explaining 6 principles for day trading prosperity. Prosperity is nothing but earning profits from the stock market. Wherever you are in the world, whatever index, stock, commodity, whatever you trade, this video can help you to have the step-by-step process to achieve profits really fast. Let me explain what are the 6 principles and why. The first one is why. Why do you need 6 principles or the principles for day trading prosperity? What is the reason behind it? I am going to give the example for this. Why? Because when you ask yourself why you are doing some works in your life, some tasks in your life, the reason will motivate you every single time you are doing your task. If you don't know why you are doing all such things, you don't have motivation. For example, why am I doing this video? Why am I sharing all this knowledge I have with you guys? Because I want to have the subscriber base. Okay, this is the first reason. I want to have the watch time, and I want these two things with the win-win situation. You are having my knowledge by watching this video, and I am having your view count as you are watching this video. This is why I am doing this. I want to deliver value to my subscribers. So this is the reason why I do the videos continuously. Okay, let's get into the example of why we need principles. For life, to achieve great success, to achieve happiness, to achieve peace, we should have some life principles. If you don't know about what is life principle, let me explain you with this example. Okay, for example, if you have the principles of waking up before the sunrise and you are exercising every day, taking healthy food, systematically earning for your living, and have before sunset, food before sunset, avoid alcohol and bad friendships. If you follow these 6 principles, imagine what is your lifestyle, how much you can earn. Let me explain all these things to you in detail. If you understand these principles, you will know why you should have some principles for day trading also. When you wake up before the sunrise, this is an indication that you are ready to do your tasks every single day, even before 70% of the population wakes up. When you utilize that time effectively, you're going to have 2 to 3 hours more than average time to your peers. So when you exercise, what will happen to your body? When you exercise, the blood circulation will go to your brain. As a result of that, you are able to think better, move better, and you can take decisions better in your life. And the third principle here is take healthy food. When you take healthy food with vegetables, fruits, home cooked food, what happens in the long run? In the long run, you will be very healthy to do your tasks, isn't it? Imagine this. And the final one is systematically earn your living. Why I am saying systematically earn your living? When you wake up before the sunrise, you have plenty of time to do your chores, and you have some time to plan your trades, and you go to your job by doing all such things in a peaceful mind. When you do it with peaceful mind, you earn with ease. When you don't do all these things and waking up at 8:30, if you are having your office at 9 a.m., what will happen? There is a hurry and you miss so much of things. You don't plan your day. By the time you realize your day, half of the day will happen and you can't do anything with that small time. So what I say is, do have some principles for your life. And the next principle is, have food before sunset. When you are having food before sunset, what happens? The digestion system is really so nice. And if the digestion system is nice, when you are growing older and older, you have the ease to work, and you have happiness to be the living being. Okay. And avoid alcohol and bad friendships. Why? These are the things that ruin the uh, lives of many youngsters. So when you follow these 6 principles, imagine how would it be your life and what is the prosperity you get in your life. Likewise, in life, in day trading also, you should have some principles. Let's get into what are the 6 principles for successful day trading. See, first of all, the principle is you need to learn a technical analysis. Why I am saying this? Without knowing any technical analysis, you are not able to take the trade. Okay? The first principle is learn the technical analysis. In this technical analysis, maybe you have chosen directional trading or non-directional trading. Choose according to your trading style. For example, I am using CPR pivot points as my technical analysis. So I take the trades with the help of the technical analysis of CPR pivot points. Okay, and create a trading plan. Once you learn the technical analysis, you have to create a trading plan. Okay, how you create the trading plan? Let me explain this. When you learn a system, the system includes, isn't it? There is an inbuilt strategies with the technical analysis. For example, if you are learning Camarilla pivot points, the system itself, the technical analysis itself shows some strategies. Among that strategies, you have to create a plan with that. Create a trading plan. Okay. The third one is set realistic goals. Why I am saying that set realistic goals? Let me explain this in detail. Novice traders or the new traders enter the world all over the world with the unrealistic expectation of becoming rich overnight, becoming rich within a month, like that. This is not how it works day trading. Maybe you may have some trades like that, but if you want to survive the world, in the world of stock market day trading, you have to set realistic goals. When you are investing 1 lakh rupees, you have to risk minimum 1%. That's it. You have to aim for 2% reward. Okay, this is how the realistic goals happen. The fourth one is discipline and emotional control. When you have all these three things with you, you have to stay disciplined. How you can stay disciplined? Think of it for a second, how you can stay disciplined and emotional control. When you enter the stocks, let me explain this. When you enter the stocks or the indices, there are many tempting moves that is happening over there. For example, I'll show you this. Let me explain this. There are so many tempting moves that is happening here. For example, today is Israel and Palestina's war issue there in the market, and I see a bullish pin bar at this area. Usually I wanted to take the trade at this area, but I didn't take any trade. Why? Because at any point of time, if there is any issue about the Israel and Palestina which is affecting the global markets, then the indices will fall like this with big candles. There is a chance for that. So what I do is I just stay away from the markets. Whether it is completely affecting the market, I should know, or it is not affected by the market. I should know either one of that. Then only I will take the trade. This is called discipline. When you see such bullish candles or these big bearish candles, With FOMO effect, if you are entering without planning the trades, that is considered as undisciplined trading and otherwise called as gambling. Okay, let's see this. Discipline and emotional control. When you see such big candles or these red candles, most of the novice traders enters this candle in between. Okay, in between they enter and they face some losses because most of the time they enter here, they don't know where to put their stop losses. Okay, they put their stop losses somewhere here and there is a chance that the stop losses triggers. This is how you have to be emotionally controlled. The fifth one is the risk reward ratio. Whenever you have to enter the markets, you should have some good risk reward. Okay, for example, I'll show you the bad risk reward trade. You will understand what is good risk reward trade. Okay, this is a big bearish candle. Novices enter after the close of this candle and they put their stop losses somewhere here. They enter here. See, they enter here. They put their stop losses somewhere here and they wait the price to drop like this. They don't have any pre-plan and they don't have any technical analysis knowledge and they want the price to move like this in a bearish candle. When the price moves against them, they keep on praying to the God to just let the price in their direction. This is not possible in the market. Okay, now let's get into the mind map. And the sixth one is record keeping. For example, if you are doing some business, like you have some restaurant business and you are giving your money to all the chores that is happening over there, you are giving money to your staff, you are giving for the raw materials, yeah, for utensils, for what else, the complete money spending is there. If you don't keep that money spending in your book or your computer, what will happen? By the end of the day, you forgot what money goes to where. Okay, there is so much of confusion over there. Like that, this is the top principle in day trading. You have to keep records. This is otherwise called as journaling. When you journal the trades, what the journal should include? You have the technical analysis, right? And you have a plan, you set your realistic goals, you discipline and control yourself, and you know what is the risk you are making in the trade, and you record this every day. Why you should record this every day? Because in the live market there is so many distractions. Sometimes you want to be bearish in the market, but there is a bullish movement happening in the market and you suddenly jump into the bullish trade as you didn't plan before the pre-market analysis. Then what happens? You made a big loss. When you write it down in the journal, you try not to do it every time. Let me explain, or let me show you how it exactly looks. I'll show you my trading journal here. I don't say that your trading journal should be like this, but you can take some ideas with this. For example, I write down the date, the trend, the risk reward I am choosing, and what is the target for me. Okay, this is how I planned my trading, and as I have learned the technical analysis of with the CPR pivot points. I know that at times the risk reward is 1:4 risk reward. Sometimes as per the analysis I plan 1:2, 1:3 risk reward. As I am pasting these charts in the trading journal, I could see what happened on that day. Okay, I could see what happened on that day. See, I have written the notice here. Both the indices rejected and closed below at R1. I have some analogy before about this, so I have written like this. If you want to change the trading journal, you can change it as per your wish, but you have to have a trading journal. For example, see this, I have here also written the trend. See, I have written the trend, risk reward, what is the problem I have faced here. Volatility and theta decay takes the stop loss. This is the problem I have faced, and what is the solution I have suggested. You can put 30 points SL or below it. Whenever such situations happen, I have to put 30 points stop loss, and I keep on revising this every day. What happened to my trades, what is the pre-market analysis, everything. I just think about it for a while, and I understood what I have to do. See, I have written this. A option seller with 8.5 lakhs will win the game. And mindset, wait for another opportunity. If my stop loss triggers, I will wait for another opportunity. What is the observation here? Nifty and Bank Nifty has relation to triggering and going into your direction. This is the observation. Like this, you can journal your trades. Okay. See, these are the 6 principles you have to do it. If you don't have the technical analysis, just coming and buying, selling random stocks, indices, commodities, this is not a game of winning. This is the game of losing then. So what you have to do? Learn a system. It should be directional or non-directional, your wish. Create a trading plan by this system. Then set realistic goals. Don't expect 100x, 50x, 60x returns. No, not like that. Discipline and emotional control. Once you lose or your stop loss triggers, discipline yourself. Don't overtrade or revenge trade. Okay, this is the 6 principles you have to consider when you want to have profits from the stock market day trading. Now, what are the benefits by following these principles? We should know, right? Whenever we do something in life, we should have the benefits, know the benefits. First of all, we have to know why we are doing it and what are the benefits by doing these things. Okay? Now, the benefits is less confusion. When you compare yourself by learning these 6 principles, when you compare yourself with your peer new traders, for example, 2 friends are there. One is using the 6 principles and he learned the system, created a trading plan, set realistic goals, disciplined and emotional trading, risk reward ratio he considers, and he journals every day. If the first person is doing all these things and the second person don't even know about technical analysis and all this stuff, the first person will be surviving in the field of stock market. Okay, even though he may face some small losses earlier, but he will be staying in the markets, and after a period of time he gradually eventually understand what the markets are, so he's going to have less confusion. Okay, the other benefit is minimizes your learning curve. Okay, most of the time what happens is 90% of the traders don't learn anything and just come into the markets, buy, sell like that, and they waste their money, time for about 2 years. Then they realize that this is not gambling, this is this study. When we do it in a certain way, we can be able to make profits, and for the first 1 year, after you make your profits for the first 1 year, maybe these profits are less, but after 1 or 2 years of making profits, you can maximize your position sizing. Once you maximize your position sizing, you know the in and out of that strategies, so you have great edge in yourself. Okay, and the third one is get profits ahead of your fellow new traders. You're going to get profits ahead of your fellow new traders because they they come here without any planning, they don't know anything, they are doing all the nonsense with the market will slap them for sure. And you know how to deal with the market, how to worship the market. Whenever you lose small. Whenever you reward big. This is called risk reward. When your losses are small and rewards, that means profits are high, there is a high chances to be profitable by the end of the month. Okay, I know that if you are watching this video till now, you understand my viewpoint, and I would like to introduce myself. I am Vishalakshi Rajapantula and I am a trader in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I am trading the indices for the last 3 years, and now I am in profitable position and I am in a position to teach these concepts to my subscribers. Now, by doing all these things, what is the call to action? The call to action here is subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel and see these sort of powerful insights for the field of day trading. When you are watching videos like this, at some point of time, the brain collects some important golden nuggets. I'll tell you one of the important nugget I have learned from YouTube videos. When I started day trading, I started with the CPR pivot points. This is the first indicator I have used, and till now also I am using this. Okay, when I was using this, I just keep on entering at these levels, these lines, and I don't consider any immediate resistance. For example, when we enter here, there is an immediate resistance here. Okay, when we enter here, there is a resistance here. When price goes here, I don't recognize this is a resistance and keep on waiting to price go out of this level. Later, I am watching the videos of CPR pivot points and simultaneously I am reading. I came to know that when you enter the market in a bullish view, there should not be any immediate resistance. Once I understand this, I have some edge in the market. Okay, likewise, when you are listening to such things, as you understand, you're going to get some golden nuggets. This is how you can learn trading, and thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want to join my Telegram channel, there is a QR code in my thumbnail. You can join it by scanning it, and you are going to get some benefits by joining the Telegram channel, like when there is an issue impacting global markets, I would like to post it in my Telegram channel. Likewise, there are some benefits to my Telegram channel subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos.